Gold and silver traded with moderate bearishness. We have seen a slide in gold all the way towards 4180 levels. Likewise with silver, we have seen it moving towards 5660. Oil stayed in zone. It is struggling at 5960 zone, while it is natural gas which is yet again showing strength and trading above 4.8. Are we looking at 5 here? We'll answer to this question. And Nasdaq and Dow has also recovered right from the lows, but is still struggling. What to expect now from these 6 instruments with the US session? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates such that you can profit across Asia, Europe and US sessions. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Your every like, comment and share is a great motivation for me to deliver consistently to the best of my abilities without fail. Please press the like button before leaving the video. Let's start. First, we look into gold and silver, followed with oil and gas. Lastly, Nasdaq and Dow. Watch till the end. On the hourly charts, you can see a good support is getting created at 4180 levels here. Also notice what it has done. See, rise, retracement, and then a little rise and retracement, bigger rise and bigger retracement. Now it is very, very crucial. If gold has to turn bearish, if it has to indicate bearishness, it has to trade below 4150, 4130 mark here. I have highlighted this earlier in the day, and this is the most crucial zone from which it is trying to reverse 4190, 4180. So once it trades below 4180 now, you can stay with the sells here, possibly expecting it to move towards 4165, 4150 and 4130 levels. But right now it is not showing such bearishness. It is trying to recover after forming a good base. But I'll say the bullishness, the reversal confirmation in gold is only if it trades beyond 4230, 42, 44, 42 zone. Till then, it's not yet confirming a reversal. Moving averages are converging here, and this is a slight bearish indication. Though the stochastic is rising, the MACD is also retraced, trying to still stay bearish, but if at all it crosses over, that will be confirmation of reversal. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts you can see this almost forming a double bottom. It is trying to show a little pullback, but yes, the reversal confirmation is only and only if it trades beyond 4230, 42 zone, then only we can say that it is turning bullish, else it is yet not confirming the reversal here. Moving averages are trying to converge, slight bearish indication here. Stochastic almost flat, the MACD is still bearish, RSI is running flat. On the 3-hour charts, when you look at, see what has happened here, it has tried to move towards the 50 period and now trying to recover. Look at the preceding 3-hour chart candle here. You can see the resistance here is getting stronger at around 42.15 levels, 42.18 zone. And then do not forget this double top here. This is also equally important at around 42.27. So these are going to remain key critical levels which definitely should offer a greater resistance to gold for any upside movement here. And remember what's happening if you look at the move here. See this rise, retracement, rise, it is consolidated, then rise and retracement. Now connect the highs and the lows. You'll find that this is how gold has been trading. The lows here are all the way towards 4150, 4130. And it is very important for gold to break this zone in order to confirm any kind of bearishness here. The stochastic at bottom, the MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence is staying bearish. RSI has dropped here. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4-hour charts you can see again kissing 20 period. It is trying to bounce back. It has tried to breach below 20 period, but closing above 20 period, that is very, very important. Now if you see trading below 20 period, means again if you see gold trading below 4200, you can just stay with the sells. But then we have to wait for it to trade below 4190, 4180 levels, and then you can expect it to slide all the way towards 4160 or in fact 4165 or in fact 4150, 4130 levels. But it requires a lot much of effort for it to do so. See, we have seen straight bearish candles here. It is possible that it may post a recovery here. You have to watch out with caution. Beyond 42.20 you can initiate a buy, but this is going to be riskier. 42.26, 27, 42.32, 42.42 levels, very, very good resistance should be there. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD crossing over here, again a bearish indication here. RSI is also taken a dip here. Coming to the daily chart, on the daily charts, look what's happening here. You can see this should be the reversal. Look at yesterday what has happened. We have seen a good rise and it is closed with a very small greener body, and today after starting on a flat note we have seen a good plunge coming in, good bearishness coming in. Also the 5 period moving average here yet again proving out to be a support. It is very, very important for gold to close on a daily basis on the that is today. By the end of the day it should close below 4200 mark, the 5 period moving average, and this could also be the beginning of a reversal here in gold, which could take it all the way towards 4150, 4130 mark, and below that is where you can expect the reversal to begin. Notice drop here, retracement, then then a little drop and higher low highs here. Now when you connect this, you will find this is ideally a bullish retracement channel after this drop. So it is trading bullish here, and it is not yet confirming bearishness as long as it stays above 4100 or 4000 levels here. This is long term channel I'm talking about. So and right now, see, this is how it has been trading. I will not treat this as bearish for the day, not for the day but for the week and for the month. Once it trades below 4100 or 4000, that is the point you can say now we are ready for a good drop. But when you focus on today, you can find out, see, ideally this is delivering higher lows, and only if it trades below 4150, 4130, you can say that now is the time for gold to start reverse. Stock is looking down right from the overbought zone, but the MACD is the one which is still in green. The RSI is almost at the top. So looking at this, what you should, and before I provide you the trading levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, be a part of my mentorship batch. And if you're just willing to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me for queries. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And it is also equally important for you to have a trusted partner which offers you a safe-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. With that, I'll recommend you to buy if you see it is staying beyond 42.12 levels, but then expect 42.17-18 as the first target, very nearby. Then 42.25-26 should appear, the next target, again very nearby. And once this is taken, you can expect 42.32, 42, 40, 42. Now see, the resistances still here are very strong. Till 40, 42, you should not be treating gold as bullish. Once it trades above this, then you can say we are ready for 42.50, 42.65. And if at all it trades beyond 42.65, sky is the limit. We are going to look forward to a greater rally here in gold prices. It should take it all the way towards, in fact, 4300 in the near future. Appears difficult, but yes, possible. This is gold and these are markets. Anything and everything is possible. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 4200 itself. Expect 41.92, 41.80, and if this is taken, ideally I am looking forward to 41.64, 41.50, 41.30. Now once gold trades below 41.30, stay short for 4100 very soon, if not today. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly chart, see what is happening here. You can see the support getting stronger here at 56.50, 56.60 zone. This is a very good support zone, and we should see silver trading below this for any kind of bearishness. And as long as it respects this zone at 56.60, 56.40, you have to be careful, below which you can definitely expect a good round of drop here. Notice also, this is how it has been trading. It has formed a good support. If at all it now trades beyond 58 again, then only we should treat this for a reversal, else it is yet not confirming a reversal, and I should not confirm this as bullish as long as it stays below 58. See what is happening, drop, retracement, again it may reverse from here. I'll definitely watch out for any drop below 57, and 56.60 should be a confirmation of a greater correction in making. Stochastic rising, the MACD stayed bearish, trying to converge here. The RSI is rising here. Coming to 2 hour. On the 2 hour charts, notice the price is consolidated around 20 period and trying to deliver a breakout. Though you can buy at 57.60 itself, but then 57.80, 58 should be a greater hurdle, and if it trades beyond 58, that should confirm a possible rise, and then we can in fact see higher highs here. Yes, this could start expanding here, where higher highs could be seen before it starts to reverse. Stochastic rising, supportive for further bullishness. The MACD crossing over here, it's a slight bearish indication. Remember, silver has already seen an enormous rise in last couple of sessions, yesterday and the last week's Friday. Yes, these two sessions were enormous, and a stronger bull run was seen in silver here, and now it is trying to erase some of the gains. RSI is shown a dip here. Coming to 3 hour chart. Now here on the 3 hour charts also, see, after finding a good support here, it is trying to reverse. I'll definitely watch out for if it trades beyond 57, 60, 80 or 5800, $58 zone. It should be the reversal. As long as 58 is not taken, it is not yet a reversal. Stochastic rising here. The MACD crossed over at the top, trading with moderate bearishness here, looking downwards. RSI coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, see the consolidation. See, it is trying to deliver a breakout. It's staying beyond 57.60. You can initiate a buy, but this has to be with caution as long as 58 is not taken. Remember, the price is still trading with divergence from the 20 period. The 20 period is sitting at $56 levels, and 56 is still an achievable target here. But we have to watch out here. Right now, it is not showing much weakness, and see the support it has created. It appears it is ready for another round of rise. Let's watch out for this. Though I am not in favor of such a rise here. Stochastic taking a dip. See the MACD after a good rise, it is just crossing over here, which is again a bearish indication. Notice silver always delivers the waves here. After such a rise, it always tries to plunge, and a plunge is possible here. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to the day. On the daily chart, see higher lows are seen. Silver can still break out and turn bullish. What has happened? See increasing body size. So today again it can give you a breakout and rise here. Though already we had seen very stronger moves for the last couple of sessions, and as long as now it stays above 56.40, 56.60 zone, and then 56, yes, the 5 period moving average. Very important for silver to trade below 56 in order to confirm any kind of bearishness, and then a drop below 56 should take it all the way towards this zone at 52, 53. Stochastic overbought here, the MACD divergent and bullish and rising here, and the RSI is rising as well. So looking at this, what you should do, you can buy at 57.60, but you have to trail 57.80, 58. This is the stronger zone which it has to trade beyond. If at all silver trades beyond 58, we can in fact expect 58.40 and then 58.80 levels. Anything beyond 58.80 is a bonus. We should take it towards 59.30 and 60 very soon here. Appears difficult but not impossible. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 57.20. Expect it to move towards 57 and 56.80. Once it trades beyond 56.80, I'll be looking at 56.50 and 40. If 56.50 40 zone is taken, stay short for 56, and any drop below 56 is a clear sign for a beginning of a correction all the way towards 55 and 54 levels very soon. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to crude oil. Crude oil today traded in a narrow range. Earlier in the day, I had mentioned that once it trades beyond 59.6, you can buy here. What has happened? It has struggled to break beyond 59.6, and the selling entry was at 59, and it is right now at 59 itself. It is shying away from breaking below 59, 58.8 zone, which is indeed a good support zone here. Now see the moving averages have started to converge, but the crossover appears far from it, and now we have to wait for it to trade below 59, 58.8 in order to confirm further downside here. Stochastic at bottom already. The MACD is trading bearish. The RSI is also taken a dip here. Coming to 2 hour, notice on the 2 hour charts what it has done. See, this is how it is trading here. Higher lows and higher highs here. And now we have to wait for it to trade above 59.6 and 60 zone. A move beyond 60 is a clear indication of a reversal, else right now it is not yet confirming it. See, every time it shows a rise, it reverses immediately, and a breakdown below 58.5, 58 levels should be a confirmation of a stronger down move. Stochastic coming to oversold zone. The MACD crossed over at the top, trading with divergence, staying bearish. RSI has shown a dip here. On the 3 hour charts, when you look to see the 3 hour charts here, you can see lower highs are seen, diminishing bearishness, taking the support here, trying to bounce back. This could become a reversal sign, but for this to happen, price has to trade beyond 59.6 and $60 zone. And as remember, this is how it has been trading: higher lows, higher highs. A breakdown below 58.8, 58.6 should confirm the next down move here, which could in fact make the prices drop sharply. Stochastic getting oversold. Now see the MACD here, after a good retracement towards the top, it is again reversing, and see from these levels it reverses last 3 to 4 cycles. You can see every time it has hit this zone, it is reversed sharp, and right now it is doing the same. RSI is also looking downwards. Coming to 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour charts, the moving average is crossing over here, trading with bullishness here. This is a slight bullish indication, but you can see a good cusp is formed, though it is right now forming higher lows and higher highs. I'll wait for it to trade below 58.8 now. This will confirm the further downside here, but in fact, even if it trades below 58.48 levels, 58.5, 58.3 is what it has to trade below, and in fact 58 below 58 is where real bearishness will be seen. Stochastic bearish here. The MACD after a good retracement crossing over here, trading with divergence, slight bearish indication. But notice it is not necessary that it should reverse from here. It can still reverse and bounce back and move towards the top. And for this, definitely this is going to be a bullish confirmation if it moves towards the top where the price is going to be. But right now it is not showing such a strength. RSI taking a dip. Coming to the daily, you see on the daily charts, look at this blue line here. Yes, this is the 50 period here, and this is the third to fourth time it is offering it a resistance here. And see, this is all, this move is also getting expanding here. Every time it moves to the top, it creates lower lows, and this is expanding in nature. But this time it has to decide the direction it wants to take. See, what I'm observing here is I have shared this several times, rise, and this is a nice flag. It has to break out soon, and now possibly the inventory data today might do wonders. Today it can stay in range or close above 59.6. Now 59.6 is the hurdle oil has to break today. This is the resistance it has to break today in order to confirm a reversal. And then beyond 60, certainly you can stay bullish for today, tomorrow, and for the rest of the week. Stochastic at the top, the MACD crossed over trading with moderate bullishness, the RSI flat. So looking at this, what you should, now you can buy at 59.4 itself, expect it to move towards 59.6. 60. This is definitely a crucial zone which oil has to trade beyond. If it trades beyond 60, stay bullish for 60.6 and 61.2 and 62 and 62.5, the greater resistances. And then remember, it's a breakout. It is going to deliver an enormous rally on the upside. This is going to be quick and sharp, mind my words. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 58.8 only, below which you can expect 58.5, 58.25, and then 58. If at all it trades below 58, I think we are ready for a good drop here towards 57.2, 56.6, and then 56. Below 56, ideally this is going to correct sharp towards 55 and lower levels, chances for which appears less. Trade accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. Natural gas, earlier in the day we have discussed a good support is created, then rise and retracement. See 3 to 4 red candles, it might try to bounce back, and see this is now appear to be trading towards the top of the channel towards 4.92 here. If you now see gas trading above 4.86, you can stay with the bias of 4.92, and then my favorite, my long-term target of $5 levels will be there, and in fact 5.2, 5.4 cannot be denied. Moving averages are trading bullish, and also the support is very strong here at 4.75. Till 4.75, do not treat this as bearish, that is pretty clear. Stochastic rising, the MACD trying to cross over for buy, RSI rising here. And when you look at 2 hour charts, what has happened? Support from 5 period is getting stronger, and it is trying to rise from the support from 5 period moving average. Remember, 4.8 was a greater hurdle, 4.8, 4.82, and now it is trying to deliver a breakout. This breakout could be stronger one. Be watchful of this. The moving averages are crossed over, and these are trading bullish. Very good sign for the bulls here. Stochastic rising, the MACD is divergent, the MACD is bullish, the RSI rising here. Coming to 3 on the 3 hour charts, the support here from 5 period is stronger. It is trying to deliver a breakout, which is a good sign for the bulls. Possibly we are aiming towards 4.9, 4.92, and in fact 5 very soon. Moving averages are certainly bullish here. The stochastic rising, the MACD rising, and the MACD appears to be heading towards the top and create another peak here. RSI is still supportive for further up move. And on the 4 hour charts also, you can see similar observation. See, after staying in zone, it is trying to deliver breakout. And I have shared this, that 4.8 is a good resistance. When it comes out of this box, this should be the beginning of a next round of rally. And this is possible that it is trying to indicate the same. Now it is on the verge of a breakout, and hence you have to watch out with caution. Natural gas might deliver a move towards 5.2, 5.4 as well. Moving averages trading with divergence is staying bullish. Stochastic rising, the MACD trading with divergence and bullishness, the RSI rising here. Coming to daily chart. On the daily charts, one stronger candle, resistance. This was the resistance. It is consolidated for couple of days. Now trying to deliver a breakout here. Remember, it is stayed in zone. A breakout here should confirm a stronger up move here. Yes, if it stays beyond 4.86, stay bullish for 4.9, 4.92, and then I'll be looking at the next psychological milestone at 5, which was my long-term target. And since 3, I was chasing this, and it is almost going to be there. I have shared this several times in my previous updates. Let's wait for this. Let's wait for this. Let's wait for it to trade beyond 4.86. Stochastic getting overbought. MACD trying to converge here. A crossover here. A move towards double top will lead to 5.2, 5.4 as well. RSI rising. So looking at this, what you should first, the buying entry is at 4.86 only. Beyond 4.86, you can initiate a buy. Expect it to move towards 4.9, 4.93, and then I will be looking at 5. Remember, if at all gas trades above 5 in this week, you can stay bullish for 5.2 and 5.4 in this month itself. Yes, it can show you a stronger rise before it tries to reverse. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 4.8 levels. Below 4.8, you can expect it to move towards 4.77, 4.74. and then 4.7 should arrive below 4.7 and then 4.65. This is the most critical zone. 4.65 is the support it has to trade below. If at all gas trades below 4.65, I think this should lead to a good correction towards 4.6 and 4.5, and I think it is going to be difficult now for it to do so. It is trying to trade bullish. Possibility of a breakout is higher. However, these are markets you have to trade with caution. The faster the rise, it can correct sharp as well. You have to watch out. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Now let's move to indices, Nasdaq and Dow. Nasdaq 100 today showing little signs of reversal, but yet again I think I can see a little struggle in the same zone, 25 450 460, and it is very crucial for it to trade beyond 25 450 460 and 25 500 levels. Remember, I will still not treat this as bullish as long as in fact 25 550 is not taken. Beyond 25 550 is where we can confirm that it is giving a breakout, else a possible reversal cannot be denied. See the rise and a good plunge, then stayed sideways, again a rise. It may show a plunge here, but the bearishness is only below 25 300 as we have discussed earlier in the day. It is very crucial for Tech 100 to trade below 25 300 25 150 zone in order to confirm any kind of bearishness. So right now it is staying in a box, it is trading in a zone here. Stochastic overbought here. The MACD crossed over, confirming slight bullishness. RSI at the top and trading comfortably. On the 2-hour chart, see the rise, then a retracement, again a rise. You can see almost identical formation here. Now it is very crucial for Tech 100 to trade below 25 300. This should take it towards 25 200 150, and below that a correction should follow, else it is on the verge of a breakout here. But till 25 550 you have to be cautious, and then we can expect 25 600 650 zone as the next target. But I think it is going to get difficult. The moving averages are definitely trading bullish here. Though the stochastic is rising, look at the MACD. This is also turning bullish. But I'll say you have to watch out how it behaves at 25 450 500 550 zone. Only and only if these three levels are taken, definitely you can say that it is turning bullish. RSI is placed comfortably here. On the 3-hour charts, likewise, similar observation, rise retracement, again a rise here. I'll definitely watch out for this breakout if at all it delivers it. Else a possible reversal cannot be denied, where you have to wait for it to trade below 25 300 mark. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. RSI placed comfortably. Coming to 4-hour, similar observation on the 4-hour charts here. Drop, rise, sideways movement, again a rise. I'll wait for it to trade below 25 300. That's the only level below which you can say now it is turning bearish. Else it is yet not confirming bearishness. And even if it trades below 25 380 360 US, you can take a sell, but then be cautious till 25 300 and 25 200 levels. Moving average is crossing over, trading bullish. Stochastic rising. The MACD is bearish here, though after the crossover at the top. RSI rising here. Coming to the daily. See the daily charts. What has happened yesterday? Notice this. Also, this is slightly higher highs. It is trying to deliver almost symmetrical candle can be seen here. Now I'll wait for it to trade below this zone, specifically below 25 300 is where you can say now it will show signs of bearishness, and then we can in fact expect it to correct sharp. Else right now I think the up move is going to be difficult. 25 550 is what you have to watch out for any kind of breakout, and then beyond 25 550 there is a possibility for it to move towards 25 640 710 zone, though the up move should be difficult here. Moving averages have crossed over. These are trading bullish. Stochastic overbought. The MACD crossed over here, trading moderately bullish. RSI flat. So looking at this, what you can see here is you can buy 25 450 460 levels, but then you have to be cautious of 25 500 25 550, and if this is taken, then there is a possibility of good up move towards 25 640 25 710. Beyond this, sky is the limit. It is going to rally hard towards 25 800 and then 26,000 levels, which appears difficult as of now. But yes, these are markets. Anything and everything is possible. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 25 3. You can sell at 25 380, but then 25 340 25 300 should come to the rescue here. These are very good support levels. Once it trades below 25 300, I think you can in fact expect 25 200 25 140 25 080. Staying below 25 080, we are staying with the cells for a greater correction towards 24 800 very soon, if not today. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to Dow Jones. See what USDT is doing, drop retracement, and now it is trying to reverse again. If you see it is staying below 47 250 200 zone, you can stay with the sells. It is ready for another round of good drop here. The moving average is crossing over, certainly it's a bearish indication, and you can see it is trading bearish as well. So now 47 250 200 is what you have to watch out of. Stochastic overbought, the MACD crossing over here after the top, it is a slight bullish indication. Remember 47 350 400, this was the support. Now this is going to be a good resistance for any up move here. RSI placed comfortably here, coming to 2 hour. Notice on the 2 hour charts the support getting created, reversal, but again on the upside the resistance is pretty strong, trying to reverse again below 47 240 200. Stay with the sells. Stochastic rising here, the MACD has stayed enough bearish, waiting for it to cross over for a buy. RSI flat, coming to 3 hour. Similar observation here on the 3 hour charts, couple of retracement candles. If you see it is staying below 47 240 200, certainly bearishness should follow from here, else it could bounce back towards 20 period moving average, else it can move towards 47 400 47 480 levels. Let's watch out. Stochastic rising, the MACD is still bearish, the RSI is flat here. On the 4 hour, see the 4 hour charts, there is a reversal sign, but I'll not yet confirm a complete reversal as long as it stays below 47 400 mark. Once it trades beyond 47 400, we can expect a rise towards 47 480 47 550. Else what is happening after the top retracement, and it can again drop from here. Let's watch out for the next move here. Stochastic rise, MACD trading bearish, RSI is also trading bearish here. Coming to daily charts, when you look at the daily chart, see what's happening. A reversal sign, one sharp plunge. It is a Mariboju candle here, and now today it is staying in zone between 47 200 to 47 400. Now it has to come out of this zone. Any move beyond 47 400 is a good sign for a move possible towards 47 600 as well, and then we can in fact see it moving towards 47 750 800. If at all it moves beyond 47 800, be ready for a rally all the way towards 48 200 mark. Stochastic cooling down here. The MACD crossed over, this is turning bullish, the RSI flat. So considering this, what you should do, I will first see, you can buy at 47 350. Remember 47 350 was the support earlier, should be the resistance now. You can expect 47 400. This is also the resistance, now should be this was also the support, now should be the resistance. Beyond this 47 480, 47 550. And if 47 550 is taken, I think we are going to look forward to a good rally here, which could take it towards 47 640 47 720 levels. And beyond this, it is going to show a stronger rally on the upside. Be prepared, as in how it breaches these resistances, more bullishness should prevail. While still I'm not yet confirming of this, you can sell here at 47 240 levels, expect 47 200. Once it trades below 47 200, stay short for 47 080, 47k, and then be ready for a good drop towards 46 800 levels very soon, if not today, and in fact 46 500. Let's see which direction it takes. Today's move is going to be very important for Dow Jones and Nasdaq here. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia Europe session update. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you.